Good day, I am Darrell Labao, 31 years of age from Bigo City, Philippines. I have 4 years experience butcher libon up to present. Today I'm gonna show you how to libon half per side. First, use your holding steel to make more fine your knife. Then I will going to remove the lip flap including the technique. This is the kidney. This is the lip flap with the kidney. Next, I'm going to remove the tenderloin. This is a tenderloin. Now I'm going to perform the primal cut. First, I'm going to separate the hind part of swine. This is the hind part of swine. Now I'm going to remove separate the shoulder part of swine and the middle part of swine. This is the shoulder part of swine. Now this is the middle part of swine that consists of belly and loin. Now let's proceed to the shoulder part of swine. First, I'm going to cut the front leg so that I can easily remove it later. Now I'm going to remove the blood clots or the defects. This is the defects or the blood clot. Now I'm going to remove the rib plate with the neck bone. This is the rib plate with the neck bone. Now I'm going to remove the excess parts. This is the excess parts. Then I'm going to cut the tenderloin that connects the femur bone and the scapula or the shoulder blade. Now I'm going to remove the scapula. This is the scapula or the shoulder blade. Now I'm going to remove the femur bone with the front leg. This is the front leg with the femur bone. Then let's proceed to the hind part of swine. First, I'm going to cut the hind leg. This is the hind leg. Now I'm going to remove the each bone. This is the H bone. And lastly, I'm going to remove the dumbbell bone or the femur bone. This is the femur bone or the lumbar bone.